We are at Kalagoda, Mumbai, awaiting for the day one of the 16th edition of the Kalagoda Festival to start. This year, the festival will be held from February 1 to 9, 2014, and the theme for this year is Momentum. Let's go and check out what the festival gives us the glimpse. We are at the Kalagoda Festival.
Get fade away, they become permanent and more like people gain success in their life. So as it grows, then these impressions which are temporary, they actually start becoming more permanent and people becoming more successful.
What made you? What are you doing? What are you into?
So we are architecture students from Balwant Sheth School of Architecture. Sorry.
We
are architecture students from Balwant Sheth School of Architecture, and so we had the idea of how people come to the city, and we have been looking at people in and out. And so this whole effort which people make of trying to create an impression on the city was our idea, and that simple idea we want to convert into yes, so this is the first time we're having it. It's been very nice, it's been very receptive, and people have come and complimented us over it, and we are grateful for Kalagoda to give us this opportunity. So making this itself was a big task, and all of us have been working together night after day on this. So we've learned more about each other as well as about creating such a huge installation amongst us.
I think the idea is very good, but most of the people will not understand what is the thing.
We have a board over here, so people come, they read.
The board is nobody seeing the board.
If people mainly come here for experiencing it rather than knowing what's reasonable.
The entire thing about creating an impression in Mumbai and then how it fades away. But still, people strive to leave a mark. So that is the main idea. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks.
What is your experience about the Kalagoda festival?
We got a good response as to people liking our models and they're appreciating what work we've done and the design that we have. So people are liking the response and they are enjoying themselves. They're trying to sit on our models. They're trying to see the material, the design, and they're enjoying every bit of it. Like you can see the old lady, from old ladies to children, all of them, they enjoy the model. They keep on playing and they're just fiddling around with the model and just trying to be as much interactive you can be. So these are few models from my college which are there. and everything is being used, I think, to the fullest, and they're just enjoying themselves.
How many visitors are ranked today?
You can say in a span of 30 seconds, I have at least more than 10 people who come sit on the model and this.
At what time you started this campaign today?
Today, what time it started? By 10 o'clock in the morning, and it goes till 9.
Who celebrated the function?
I'm not aware of it because we were actually too much, like we were busy doing this because we have one and another model over there placed, so we were just busy fixing all of that and getting it in shape.
The fact is that we are into architecture since few years and we are aware of this festival since the very beginning.
You are from which college?
They're from Balwanchit School of Architecture, NMIMS in Juhu.
What is the idea behind this? This is a huge thing, man.
Yeah, so
should I keep it at home or outside? What is the concept here?
The Kalagoda topic given to us was momentum. So from momentum we thought of a loop. Like a rubber band, it's like an infinite loop. It keeps on going on. If it's twisted, folded in any manner, it keeps on going on. So similarly, on that basis, we saw knots, loops, which are like infinite loops. So you start from any point in the model. You start from one point, it follows the geometry, it goes along it, and again it comes at the same point. So it's like a loop which we created, and it's used as a place for sitting, a place where you can even use as a table. And two people can just, have a cup of coffee.
Is it entirely your idea or your team?
The four of us who've, managed and got this piece the way it is right now.
How much time you guys took to make this?
It was like the wood model. We are doing architecture, so we use the workshop a lot, and we know how wood is like a material. So we can, actually carve out wood. So the basic carving out, the shaping, all of that we could do. But the polishing was given to a professional who could, who's an expert in this. While the GI completely, I could say, to be very honest, is outsourced because we've not worked with such a hard metal. But we can obviously use fiber and concrete or even C4X also to make, but it will not be that sturdy. But still we can make models with other material which we are more comfortable with.
Like showing different compositions of different materials.
So this piece is an indoor piece which you can use at a home, and this you can use in an outdoor space. So it's weatherproof, no problem. It can sustain.
This is your first time at the Kalagoda Festival?
It's, you can say, first time. Not
as a participant.
As a participant, yes, but
We have been witnessing it since the past 2 years. I passively was a part of it since the last year and beyond that. So
What will you gain from this? This 9 days from. What are you going to gain?
We are just doing this for experience.
the bottom line is that we enjoyed making this, and beyond that, the reception is fulfilling. So
we have taken part in the Reliance Maji Metro competition also. So we were successful in that, and we had a model. And we had few designs put up there which got selected, we appreciated. So now we thought we'll try our hand at this thing because we are doing college work as well as such outdoor competitions.
And from college, are your friends, are your family coming to appreciate?
Actually, I just had my college dean who just visited us with the faculty, so we were just training him and taking him around all the models we've made. So they were there, family, friends, like I think every day there are at least 5 relatives who come and ask me, are you on site or not? So there are people coming.
We always find opportunities, and whenever we get an opportunity and we have a design scheme, we're always interested in such.
Look out for such openings like that. Thank you. All the best.
What message?
Thank you.
One more question.
Yeah.
What message you want to give?
What message? As long as you are, skillful and you have the art in you, you can, I think, produce anything, and you can, just showcase your talent just for other people. Just for the personal satisfaction, I think we are doing this. There is no reason or anything. It's just for experience and personal satisfaction that we put this up here in Kalagoda.
Always like what you love doing, you should make it big. So yeah.
So you are getting good.
What's your opinion about Kalagoda Festival?
Oh, it's a really nice festival. I wasn't expected that much actually. I thought it would be really calm and not that crowded, but it's really good and there's a good atmosphere as well.
You're here for the first time?
Yeah, actually I'm from France and I just came in India to be volunteer for Clay NGO. So yeah, this is Clay Stone. So vote for child rights.
As you can see, I have the small miniature bicycle. It's been developed by Kaustubh Trivedi, a young architecture student from one of the colleges of Mumbai. This was one of the showcases items at the Kalagoda festival, which has concluded today in Mumbai. The 9-day festival had more than 2 lakh people visiting, and it is the stuff like this which has attracted a lot of people. As you can see, it's made of spring, and it's made of fully waste paper and waste things which we put in the dustbins. There are a lot of new designs about architecture, and as the theme was momentum. The 9-day festival concluded with performances of Farhan Akhtar, which had huge crowds gathered, and people were very happy and excited that this year's festival had a good turnout. This is Apurva Bhatt, Media in Mumbai.